sit up straight when she enters the room. Be enthused, but don't look too amused. This is her queendom, please respect her rule.
Kaja is a big fighter, so yeah, I had some risk, you know, to lose the match. I thought I was in control on 5-3 in the third, but she's a great fighter, so she came back. And yeah, I was down also in the tiebreak, and I tried to fight every point, and yeah, I'm here, so I'm happy now. Last 2 points, one, she made double fault, but yeah, the match point, when my first serve was out, I was like, no, please, no, don't make double fault as well. And I just hit the ball in the court, and she missed the ball, so yeah, I mean, I'm happy of that because it was easy match point, but yeah, the points before were very, very tight, yeah.
Za zadnji 2 točki mislim, da sem jo skozi silila v to, da je morala igrati zadnjih par gemov, jih pač nisem nič dala in to je tisto nekako, na kar ciljam, pač, da se ne predam. Tako da pač, kdaj se tako obrne, kdaj drugače, moram ji pač čestitati, ona je odigrala super do konca, kljub temu, da sem ji tudi jaz stiskala, ni popustila in v bistvu, kakor sem rekla, nisem ji nič dala, ona si je mogla vse vzeti, tako da razen ta zadnjih 2 pik sem zelo zadovoljna s tem, kako sem se borila.